Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I'm your art teacher and today we are going to do very nice and interesting drawing. Ramadan is approaching and this is the month of blessings and happiness. We also want to welcome this month and I will give you a surprise that how we will welcome that blessed month. Okay, we will make a very beautiful picture of mosque and we'll make it colorful. When you will practice it, you guys can make greeting cards to greet your grandparents, your uncle and aunts for the month of Ramadan. Like you guys can write Happy Ramadan, or you guys can see Eid Mubarak, or like all these things you can write on your Eid cards or Ramadan cards. Okay, let's start. What do you guys need? You need your pencil as a sharpener, and today we will also use a scale. And what we have to do, it is very easy. You just have to follow me, and you need your crayons or pencil colors to do it. Okay, first of all, what I have to do, I have to like we have to separate, like we have to divide our page into two parts, to equal parts. Okay, for that it will make a very light line in the middle of your page. Like you can make one vertical and one horizontal, very light line. Okay, and if it is dark, don't worry. Why? Because your page will be filled with the colors, so it will be visible. Okay, like this you guys have to make two lines. You guys have to make one vertical and one horizontal line, and we have to follow these lines to make a mosque. Okay, this is very easy, just follow me step by step. First of all, we are going to make the middle part of our mosque, and from where we will start, we have to start from this line. Okay, we'll draw, like I'm going to use my marker so you guys can see easily. Okay, I will make 2 points on this line, just like I will make 1 point over here and 1 point over here. I have to make the center of our mosque, and it will be a little thicker and on the both sides we have to make the pillars. Okay, for pillars I'll make a little thinner, like I will make two dots and I'll make them a little thinner like that. Look, and we have to keep in our mind that we will keep like equal distance on the both sides. Look, you have to do it like that, and the size of the pillar must be equal. Okay, now I'm going to make a straight line on, like I will attach these two dots and I'll make a straight line like this. Fine, now I'm going to make that line double. Okay, make this line double, just make it like this. Look, that's very easy. And then you have to use your scale and you have to leave some area over here, leave some area and make the building of your mosque like this. Okay, draw a straight line and draw one more on the other side, but leave some area and make a straight line. Okay, attach it. Look, now what we have to do, we have to make the dome on our mosque. You can make 1 point over here and then you have to follow it and make it very nicely like this, and you have to attach it on that point, and on the other side you have to do the same and make the same side. Look, it look very beautiful when you will follow the rules and when you will make a point and you will attach the both sides with that point. Okay, after that what we have to do, we have to draw these two pillars. Okay, first of all I'm going to draw this one, but I will make it thinner. Like first start, the middle part of our mosque was little thick. Now we are going to make little thinner and taller. Like it was short, we make it on that horizontal line, but now we are going to cross this line and we'll make little taller. Okay, we are going to make the pillar of our mosque little taller and we'll make it that way. You can make this pillar in the same way as we have made the middle part of our mosque. Now you have to attach it, but you will make like you will make a straight line on it and you will double it. Make it double. In the same way we'll make our pillar on the other side. Even you can measure with your scale that what is the length of your one pillar, and you have to follow the same length and draw it nicely. If you will use scale, it will look more beautiful. Okay, just draw it like this. Draw it nicely. Now you have to attach these two lines, and you have to make it double. And in the same way as we have done in the middle part, we made that dome, you will make a point over here and you will attach it like this, like an, as we made an S curve on the both sides. You will make a point over here and make an S curve like this. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to add a big bright moon on the top of our mosque dome, and we will add it like this. I'm gonna make a C, and then I will make it double. Look, you can make a moon like this. On the other side, again, we are going to make a C and make it double. You have to make a dot, a line, and you have to write a C and make it double to make the moon. Okay, now mosque structure is almost done. Now we have to attach these two pillars with the middle part of our mosque, and how we will do it, we will make two horizontal lines. Don't make a line on that horizontal we have made with our pencil. No, don't do that. Why? Because it will not define the structure of this mosque or the features, like it will mix with it. We have to come little down and we will make two lines, like we have to attach it with the two lines like that. On the other side again, you are going to attach this pillar with the center part of your mosque. Attach it nicely. Now we have to add windows and door in our mosque. First of all, I'm going to add a door in the middle part, like in the bigger part of our mosque, and this will be the main door of our main entrance of our mosque. Okay, what you have to do, you have to make a cylindrical shape. You will make a cylindrical shape like a door. Leave some space and make a cylindrical shape. After that, you have to go little like you have to go make it like that. Okay, and you will make a dome shape in the same way we have done before. Look. Okay, after that I will make its door inside this shape. You can, it is very common shape, you can see in the mosque. Look, you have to make your door like that. Okay, after that I'm going to draw two more doors in the same way, but this one is the bigger one. Here we will add the smaller one. Don't draw doors in the pillars, but you can draw main entrance over here, and you can draw two small doors in that areas. Okay, why? Because if you not add anything over here, it look very plain. Okay, I'm going to draw two doors on the both side. I will make smaller cylindrical shape, and I will make it little smaller like this, and I'll make it in the same way. I will add a dome shape on the top of it, and on the other side again I'm going to add that shape. I will make a cylindrical shape and make it like that, and a dome shape on the top of it. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to add windows in our mosque is almost done, but just we have to add windows in it. Okay, and in the same, like you have to make windows in the same shape as you have done the door, the main entrance, like these smaller entrance on the, or the some texture on this wall. You have to add windows over here. Okay, on the top of these pillars. Okay, you have to make two straight lines, attach these two straight lines, and then you have to make smaller dome shape in it. In the same way, you have to make cylindrical shape, go inside and make a dome shape to make the windows of this mosque. Okay, now drawing is almost done. Like we have done drawing, now it is time for coloring. I'm going to use some crayons. You can use any color. I'm going to use these crayons. Why? Because it is quick to do. Like you can do your pencil colors also, and if you want to make your mosque in a smaller size, you can make it smaller. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to start from the one side, and we have to fill the whole page with different colors as we do the colors in the rainbow. Okay, but you can add more colors. Look, I'm going to start from this side, and I'll make that corner. I'm going to start with this light green shade. After that, I'm going to use this dark green, and I'll do it like this. I have to fill all that page with these bright colors. Just have to do it nicely. When you are doing it with your pencil, just be careful and don't leave any white space in your coloring. Okay, after that, I'm going to use this light blue color, and I will fill that area nicely. I have to fill my mosque especially. Why? Because this mosque area will look colorful, and all the rest of the area I will fill it with the black color. So you have to fill your mosque nicely. We have to add stars also in the sky. That's why I'm covering all that area with the color. Okay, first I use that light blue color. Now I'm going to use this dark blue shade. You can use any color, whatever you want. Okay, this is very easy and it is fun to do. Okay, you can see coloring is almost done. Now I have to add some stars in it. So when I will do like I will fill all that sky with the black color, it will look beautiful. Okay, I'm going to draw some stars in the sky. You guys can also add stars on your drawing. Actually, this marker is not working on these oil pastels. Okay, you have to add more stars, like some smaller, some bigger, but give some space. Why? Because we have to fill the outer area with the black color, so we can see colors easily inside the star. Okay, after that what we have to do, now it is a little tricky. What you have to do first, you have to make the outline on the outer side of your mosque like this. Make it very nicely. Don't fill your, like we just have to fill our mosque with the colors. We don't have to fill our mosque with the black color. Okay, we just have to fill the sky and rest of the area with the black color. Okay, you have to make an outline but on the outer side of your mosque, and you have to fill rest of the area with the black color, and you have to do it very nicely and carefully. If you will use your pencil colors, it will take little time, but if you will use your oil pastels or your crayon colors, you can do it quickly. Okay, you have to fill all that sky, rest of these stars and mosque. You have to fill all that area with the black color. Look, our coloring is almost done. I have left some space to make the like the stars. You guys can see these colors, and I left all these mosque with the colorful, and I filled the sky with the black color. You guys can also do your mosque in the same way. Like you can draw it. After that, you have to add very bright and nice colors in your mosque. Hope you guys will enjoy it and do it nicely. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye bye.